Today we'll see that how to deploy a Angular application with the Node.js using Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, let's go into that. Okay, first we'll go here. Okay, so there is an application called Event Management App Angular. So I have downloaded this. So I have downloaded this zip file which I have downloaded. Okay, let me extract it. Extract all. So before that, I'll just let you do that. What are the things that you require? So one is you have to install Node.js, and the other one is Angular CLI command line interface you need to install before starting this. Okay, so we have extracted this. So first we are going to, in this folder, I'm going to install Node Package Manager. So that will take a few seconds. So meanwhile, we will log into that Elastic Beanstalk and iterate things already. So Elastic Beanstalk. So create application. So application name is event. So choose platform Node.js. So I'm going to upload the code which I generate over here. Okay. So let it be ready. Okay. So now what are we having? Okay. So it is done. Okay, so it's done. So now let me build this ng build. So whenever you create a build, right? So ng. So whenever you do build, right, you can see this folder over here. So currently E2E and SRC folder only there. So whenever you do installation, right, npm install, np node modules will install. So after this one build is done, right? So once build is done, you can see here list folder also will be created. So this will also take a couple of seconds. Okay, so done. So let me refresh that. Okay, this folder will be created. Okay, so good. So now I'm going to create one more folder to create node application. Okay, so my node app. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is inside that. Okay, inside that. Package manager init. So it will ask you the package need to be version, okay, description, test, characteristic, stock. Sorry, apologies that BeanStalk is spelling is incorrect. Server.js. So entry point should be server.js, not index.js. Okay, and then the rest of the things all fine. Is this okay? Yes, I have created that. Now you can see the package is created over here. So if you go inside the package, you can see the server.js is the name. Okay, that's fine. So next thing is I'm going to install one more thing. That is, so before that, let me create one more file name, which is server.js. Server.js all file. Where is Okay, server.js. Server.js. So created that. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to install Express. Okay, so I'm going to install Express. For this, okay, let me install Express. npm install Express. Yes, so I'm going to install one more thing. Okay, so that is also installed. So now what is next is I'm going to copy the dist folder into the my folder. Okay, so it's almost all done. So now what I'm going to do is inside this server.js, right, I'm going to put a one more code snippet, which is nothing but it will tell you that. So what is the uh, starting point and what is the directory name and what exactly it needs to look when it calls the root page. Okay, so here your app folder is right. So nothing, your app folder is nothing but this one. So you just go inside. Okay, it is a okay. This is the folder name. So just paste it here. Your app folder, paste it here. Now I'm going to copy all the things. Paste it in the server.js. So that's it. Save it. So now let me see that our all the things are done. No server.js. If I do that, you can see server started at 3000. Okay, so we are good to start that. Let me go into that. See local host 3000. Okay, so this is the one. So create event if I click. Okay, so good. As of now, everything is good. So now I'm going to deploy this into Elastic Beanstalk. So what are the things which I need? So dist folder, node modules is not required, so which will be installed. So three things you need to copy. One is dist, package, .json, and then server. So just compress zip file. So calendar management tab or something. Management tab will be so not a problem. So now I'm going to upload this file. Okay. So choose file. Yes. Management tab. Okay. So now I'm going to create application. Okay. So this will take quite a few seconds. Probably it will take another 2 to 3 minutes. So let it create that. So before that, what else is so okay. So let me do one more thing. So this Elastic Beanstalk is there, right? So Elastic Beanstalk you are got generated. So if you open it now, it will not open. Okay, it will take quite a few seconds. But so if you look at this one, you can see that your connection to the site is not secure. That means that it is HTTP. So we need to work it down HTTPS, right? So how to achieve that? So let it run this one. It will take uh, quite a few seconds. Let me see that what is the current state. Okay, so it should come as health as okay. So by this time we'll go into the one more thing. So we are going to here. So one more thing what I'm going to do is around 53. So now cloud 53. Let's go to the cloud distribution. What is called CD and content delivery cloud front. Yes, cloud front. Okay. So cloud front distribution I'm going to create. So what I'm going to do, so here the URL which we are getting here, right? So if you click here, so I guess it's back snippet. So looks like that all fine. So health is still pending. Applications. Environments. So calendar health is here. So is it okay? So still it is looking okay. Fine. So meanwhile, okay, sorry, not this one. This is a terminated URL. For this one, URL yet to generate. So okay, so event this one has come. Okay, the URL has come. Okay, so still the health status is pending. So that's why it is not coming. So meanwhile, I'll create that the another one. Okay, so event manager. Okay, so it is back. So let me refresh this page. Okay, so it is back. So we are able to see here, as I said, that it is not secure. So we need it in HTTPS, right? So I'm going here, cloud front. So I'm going to copy this URL. Okay. Okay, so see health status is okay. So if you go here, you can see here. Applications, environments. Okay, so here, so I'm going to see that health status is okay. See health status is okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. Copy this URL. So we need it in HTTPS, right? So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to paste it here, and then so what is the thing which we need? One more is so freenom. So freenom site which we have. So we are going to use this one. Okay, so this is the site which I have registered through freenom. So how to register is I'll give this description. I'll give this link in the description. So if you want to use that, okay. So before that, I'm going to use this one. Okay, manage domain. So take AWS. Okay, so okay, so where is this cloud distribution? So here. Okay, so cloud front. Okay, so here we have the so we are going to, as usual, we are going to do three things. One is redirect HTTP to HTTPS. One more thing is where is CNAME? CNAME, wherever CNAME is there, you just put your domain name, and then finally custom certificate. Okay, so create distribution. Okay, so fine, it will deploy. Okay, so it will deploy. So final thing is in the free now. So route 53 will go. 53. So here we are almost done. So it will, once if this is being deployed, then we are good to go. So it is deploying still. So route 53, we are going to create hosted zone, take AWS test purpose. So create hosted zone. So whenever the hosted zone is created, you can see 4 name servers. We are going to use this. Free now. Where is free now? So here management tools name service. So we are going to change it here. First one, and one, third one, third one, and then final one. Okay, so now chain name services and so good to go. So we are good. So what about this CloudFront? CloudFront still deploying. So this value, this one. So once route 53 is done, so we are going to do one more. And we have what's name, CloudFront distribution. Choose distribution of this value, whatever is created, simple dot. Okay, so now the CloudFront distribution is done. Let me check. Okay. So okay, let it deploy. I'll pause the video till that moment. See, now it is loss modified has come. So now I am going to open this one. See, this is being done. Okay, so CloudFront distribution is done. So we are able to successfully add this one, but this is not what actually we wanted. So even though it is HTTPS, we can use. So even though we have used a HTTPS site, but whatever we are going to use, whatever the registered domain which we are going to use, so that's we are going to try. Okay, fine. Right. So we are going to do that. So that's it. So just a recap. So first what we did is we have taken the projects from GitHub and we have built it and so that the dist folder is created. And then we have created one node project and with that we have created a server.js file and dist folder which we copy. And the entry point for packages server.js. And we have installed the Express and then we have put a small code snippet if the URL is called, then where we exactly need to route. So that portion is has given in server.js. And then finally, we zipped it, package file, dist folder, and server.js. We zipped it and we uploaded in Elastic Beanstalk. And finally, we are able to successfully launch that. But it is a HTTP, not HTTPS. So what we did is we have added a CloudFront distribution and Route 53. With the help of those two, we are able to achieve that, whatever the registered domain which we have Uh, so through that, we have able to successfully launch our application. Okay, so that's the end of the session. Thank you.